Hey y'all, it's Ipsy time again. This package came in a pink envelope, but it's not the same color that they've been using. It's a lighter pink. So let's open it up and check out what's in this month. Card, Girl Meets Glitter. Life is short, wear glitter. I think that's a great idea. The bag is cute, silver, glittery. It's nice and smooth. It doesn't have a texture. It says Ipsy. And as you can see, the bag's pretty full. So, let's see. The first product is Be a Bombshell Eye Base in Submissive. I already have eyeshadow on, but let's try it out. I know you're supposed to put this down first, but I already have makeup on, so. This is J-Cat Wonder Lip Paint. Red Potion. Oh, it's very thin and dark. It's not too bad. That's pretty. That was sarcasm. Oh my goodness. It looks way different on your lips. You definitely do not need much at all when using this J-Cat. The product feels good. It's buildable, so use a tiny little amount. I used way too much. I love the color. It's like a wine red color. Next thing is, it came in a baggie. This SB highlighter by Temp 2 Pink Pearl. It doesn't really have directions on what to do. Kind of smells like glue. It has it's liquid, and it has a nice iridescent cast to it, but it kind of goes away. Like, I don't know if you can really see it. So I have the eye base, lip stain, or paint, and then the iridescent. Fourth one, Oil of Morocco Argan Oil, sulfate-free hairspray, extra hold, fast drying, infused with keratin. Just try it out. It does smell good. It smells like hairspray. I mean, as good as hairspray can smell. But it's already dry. The fifth and last product is Elizabeth Mott You're So Fine Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner in Glitterati. So that's it. Shake well before using. Get close to the lash line. Control the brush to create a thick or thin line. Perfect for cat eye. Meow. So there you go. It has glitters. Aw, you can see. It has glitter on the handle. Just like it has glitter in the black eyeliner. I don't know how well you can see it, but it's cute. I like it. What did you get in your Ipsy bag this month? Go ahead and comment below and let me know. I don't know how much the bag is worth yet. I'll post it down below, or I'll add a little thing on the bottom, but yeah, pretty happy with my bag. These are my products. Yeah. What did you get in your Ipsy? What did you get in your Ipsy bag this month? Go ahead and comment below and let me know.